What's up, guys? Scott Nelson with REVB Chassis Company. We're here at the One and Done. What is it? One day, one project. 71 Blazer, AccuAir, wheels, brakes, body on, FiTech on a Moruzzi LS motor. Building the Blazer. Let's go.
And we're at REVB, and they're doing a one and done, so we'll see if anything gets done. It's still early.
Daniel Jones, we're at REVB, one and done, 2026.
Hey, I'm Payo, I'm with Trey 5, and we're here at the one and done, getting stuff done.
I'm Laramie with Trey 5. We are over here at REVB today for the one and done. Just helping Payo here run these airlines or the air management. And yeah, been a good start so far.
Where you at?
Years of compression, the years they come and go. It's all subjective. Won't last an hour. Stare into time, burning everything as far as the eye can see.
Hey, what's up? This is Marco Sheet Metal. Check out a little Firewall I did for the homie Scott at REVB. Yellow, my kids, they call it mustard, but you know, we all know it's an ochre color.
Hey, I'm Hunter from Hot Rods by Hunter. We're over here at REVB. Pierce and I just finished putting the calipers on the chassis. Now we're getting these hood hinges on, and yeah, pretty much it.
In order to start this little small block, we need to have an oxygen sensor in it. So we're gonna drill it here, we're gonna weld it here. It's this much room, how bad could it be?
All right, so we're about to stab this motor in. FiTech came, set it all up for us. Chassis is ready. Moruzzi race motors, built 6-liter, 416. It's been ported. That's what he calls it, a Moruzzi special. So we're gonna do about 525 horse out of it.
I got the message, I heard it loud and clear, should have expected. So brash and cavalier from those dancing days. Born into the world with 2 left feet in the grave. If I can hold you tonight, I'll keep you so safe on the falls aside.
Hall and Ash Barbecue from Wickenburg, Arizona came through with this spread, chicken, brisket, coleslaw beans, and this whole pot of butter.
This is Bird, I'm with Zicardi Bill Garage, and we're over at REVB Chassis together. Good day.
I'm Scott with Buster's Customs, and we're at REVB Chassis for the one and done today, getting the Blazer put together.
I'm Dino Batalana, and we're at REVB, and I think this is Phoenix. Yeah, and it's super cool. This is a sausage fest, but I'm telling you what, there's a lot of smart guys in this room.
We're just lining up the body to the frame, and we're almost there. We got about that much left.
Motor's in, wiring, putting fluids in, so that means it's about to go.
Change what we are.
about to happen. All right, well, she runs. You guys heard it. Huge thank you to Mike and Jeremy from FiTech for coming out and setting this thing up. They got the LS just boom, lit right up. It ran for a couple seconds. You know, we don't do too much because we don't have a cooling system or whatever, but no exhaust, anything like that. But man, these guys really knocked it out. They got in there, under the truck, in front of the truck, behind the truck, all over the place.
Yeah, so on this one we did our new drive-by-wire LS setup. It's a complete system, wiring harness, ECU, new handheld, oxygen sensors, the drive-by-wire throttle body, and a drive-by-wire pedal. Everything's included in one kit.
So this is the Rebel LS intake manifold. It's our new sheet metal manifold. It's pretty thick. It's a lot quieter than our thinner ones. But all I had to do when I started it up really was I set up the transmission, even though we're not connected. Set it up. There wasn't hardly anything else to do. I set it up for a single wideband, and I turned the key and it ran. So it's that simple. Bolt on, click it all, click everything in, look in the key wire.
The motor sounded really healthy.
Yeah, it sounds fine. Yeah.
60 days to get it done.
I'll be back.
Yeah, all right, cool. I want to give big thanks out to AccuAir too. Thanks for being a part of all this.
Of course.
Down on the Blazer.
Of course. Thank you for having us. We're happy to be a part of anything that you guys do.
Thanks, Neil. Come on. A huge thanks to all these dudes behind me for just thrashing all day long. Everybody played a part, did something awesome, really made this happen. So yeah, all these dudes behind me, big thank you.